our cousins, and our cousin is videotaping. His brother. We're gonna do a burping contest. It might be a little weird, but we'll try our best. It might not be as loud as you would think. Okay, go.
Yep.
You go first.
Oh, Kristen won.
No, I did. I burped twice.
But I burped the loudest. But he did win because if you, the person who burped.
I need to move.
Send that to my mom. Send that to my mom.